Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Recime, an app in the world of digital culinary tools. This platform aims to revolutionize how we manage recipes, plan meals, and navigate our culinary journeys. Let's explore its features, pricing, pros and cons, and determine if it's the best AI recipe generator in 2025. So let's dive in. Recime is a versatile recipe management and meal planning application designed to streamline your cooking experience. Available on both iOS and Android platforms, it offers a centralized hub for all your culinary needs. The app allows users to import recipes from various sources, including websites and social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and Facebook. Additionally, you can scan recipes from physical cookbooks, ensuring that all your favorite dishes are stored in one accessible location. Now let us talk about the main features of the Recime app. Recime importing. Recime's standout feature is its ability to import recipes seamlessly from numerous sources. Whether it's a popular food blog or a viral TikTok recipe, you can effortlessly add it to your collection. The app extracts ingredients and method steps, presenting them in a clean, organized format. Recipe scanning. For those cherished family recipes or cookbook favorites, Recime offers a scanning feature. Simply take a picture of the recipe and the app digitizes it for you, making it easy to access anytime. Grocery list creation. Planning your shopping is simplified with Recime. The app allows you to generate smart grocery lists automatically organized by supermarket aisle or by recipe. This ensures efficient shopping trips without missing any ingredients. Meal planning. With Recime, organizing meals becomes straightforward. You can create weekly meal plans, helping you maintain a balanced diet and reduce the stress of daily meal decisions. Cross-platform syncing. Recime ensures that your recipes and meal plans are accessible across multiple devices because all recipes are saved on the cloud. Whether you're using a smartphone or tablet, your culinary data syncs seamlessly, allowing flexibility in the kitchen. Create cookbooks. Organize your recipe into cookbooks. Customize recipes by meal type, either breakfast, lunch, dinner, by cuisine, by diet, and more. Adjust ingredients. Scale ingredients to your desired serving size. Convert measurements. Change recipe measurements between standard and metric. Cook with ease. Keep your phone screen unlocked while you cook. Follow recipes step by step so you can focus in the kitchen. Share. You can share recipes with your family and friends or send via email, SMS, WhatsApp, Messenger, or AirDrop. Now let us talk about the pricing. Recime operates on the freemium model. By this I mean the free version offers basic functionalities, including limited recipe imports and meal planning features. But for enhanced capabilities, there is a premium plan available at $39.99 per year. Premium users enjoy unlimited recipe importing and the ability to save unlimited private recipes to their collection. A 7-day free trial of the premium plan is available, requiring payment information upfront. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using Recime app. First, the pros. User-friendly interface. Recime boasts an intuitive design, making it easy for users of all tech level to navigate and utilize its features effectively. Reliable recipe importing. The app's importing feature works smoothly and consistently, allowing users to clip recipes directly from social media apps without leaving the platform. Comprehensive search functionality. Users can search recipes in their cookbooks by specific ingredients or total cooking time, and reorder recipes to prioritize favorites. Cross-platform accessibility. With availability on both iOS and Android, Recime ensures that users can access their recipes and meal plans across different devices. How about the cons? Limited free plan. The free version restricts users to 8 smart imports before requiring an upgrade to the premium plan, which may feel limiting for some users. Upfront information requirements. The app requires users to answer questions about their age and how they heard about the app before getting started, which might detract from the initial user experience. Premium pricing. At about $39.99 per year, some users might find the premium plan relatively expensive compared to other apps offering similar features. So here's the big question: is Recime the best AI recipe generator in 2025? Well, Recime presents a robust solution for modern culinary enthusiasts, integrating recipe management, meal planning, and grocery list creation into a single platform. Its seamless recipe importing and scanning features cater to the diverse ways users discover new dishes today. However, the limitations of the free version and the cost of the premium plan may be deterrents for some. In the landscape of AI recipe generators in 2025, Recime holds its ground but faces stiff competition. Its strengths lie in the user-friendly interface and comprehensive importing capabilities. Yet, the premium pricing and initial information requirements might make users consider other alternatives, and how much value one places on its unique features. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Paprika Recipe Manager, Mealime, and Crumb. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.